Puerto Rico! Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to Rituals. Today, look what I got in hand. Look what I got in hand. I know this video took a while to do, but I was kind of waiting till the month of June to do it in honor of my fellow Puerto Ricans. So, one is blue, one is red. How you like that? Beautiful shoe, beautiful shoe. So let's get to the shoe review. All right. So on this side here, you got some beautiful blue suede material. Very, very, very nice material. You got your red accents here. It's kind of like a little bubble effect on the shoe, as you can see. Your shoestrings are Puerto Rican colors, white, blue, and red. See that? Your tongue on this shoe, the Nike PR is in blue, the Air Max is in red. The swoosh on this side is in blue, the swoosh on this side is in red. So you got a lot of different color combinations going on here. The bottom of this shoe, right here, red, white, and blue, of course. And just a beautiful shoe. Beautiful, beautiful colorway. And then your air bubble here, as you guys can see, that's in red. So yeah. And you got your Puerto Rican flag on the back. On this one, you have the word Pa'lante. Pa'lante. I think I got it right that time. And then on this shoe right here, this one is red. Where it was blue at on the other shoe, see? Where it was blue at on this shoe is red. And on this side, you got your red swoosh, and you got your blue shoelace eyelets. And on this one, you actually have red eyelets. I don't know if I tell you that another shoe. So yeah, it's like the opposite colorways on each shoe. And this one, you have your Nike PR in red. And like I said before, this one was in blue. And then on this one, your Air Max is in blue. So they just kind of switched up everything. So yeah, you have your blue here with the, still has that bubble pattern, the little dots on it. And then you have your material here in red. And then your air bubble on this one is actually blue. So yeah, and then on both you have your Puerto Rican flag. And then the bottoms are, I think the bottoms are the same though. Yep, both bottoms of the shoe are the same. Like I said before, these shoes came out in 2019. So they're no longer available unless you're getting them on StockX, and that's where she actually got these from. So yeah, these have been verified. She hasn't worn them yet. But yeah, had to get these on StockX. She really wanted these, so she got them in a size 6.5. At the beginning of the video, you seen the shoebox. I don't have a shoebox right now, like I said, these aren't my shoes, my wife's shoes. I think you guys can see that tag in there. Here. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get in that angle. But there you go. But anyway, this one has the blue insert. There we go. Nike Air Blue insert. This one has the red Nike Air insert, as you can see. Didn't come with any different laces. I think they only came with one pair of laces, and I think that's those right there. So yeah, very, very beautiful shoe. This one says Mi Gente. Very, very nice shoe. I'm gonna show you guys the photos from the actual sneakers app of the shoe, and then we're gonna do an on foot. All right, so the Air Max 1 Puerto Rico, they retail for $140. These sneakers came out in 2019. And let me show you some screenshots of the shoes from the sneakers app, or actually the website. Nike has nodded to Puerto Rico throughout the years with the silhouette that celebrates Puerto Rico's culture. To commemorate the annual Puerto Rican Day Parade in New York City, the Air Max 1 gear is up for festivities embroidered in Puerto Rican flags on the heel and PR branding on the tongue tab. Caliente Mi Gente. I know that ain't right.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Correction, it's Pa'lante Mi Gente. Bam! Got that, didn't I? And I believe it means my people move forward. So, you know, my fellow Puerto Ricans, we are definitely moving forward, especially with everything going on recently. So let's all work together, treat each other with respect and love, and we'll get through all these times together. So these are actually my wife's shoes. She got these shoes because she is actually Puerto Rican and Black, and she's supporting her heritage. And also she's been to the Puerto Rican Day Parade in New York City. And speaking of that, the Puerto Rican Day Parade takes place annually in United States along 5th Avenue in Manhattan borough of New York City. For those that didn't know, including myself, I'm learning as I'm doing this video. The parade is held on the second Sunday in June in honor of the 3.2 million inhabitants of Puerto Rico and all the people of Puerto Rican birth of heritage residing in the U.S. mainland. So with that being said, guess what the second Sunday of June is? It's June 14th. So Puerto Rican Day Parade is coming up next Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's next Sunday, June 14th. So, and as of right now, as I checked, I don't think it's canceled. So I think they're going to go ahead with it. So if you're Puerto Rican or Puerto Rican descent and you're in New York area, you should be attending that parade. Be safe. COVID is still out there. Wear your mask and everything, you know, be safe. Yeah, support your heritage, support your culture. I support you guys. Just like right now, we're supporting Black Lives Matter. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in to Rituals. If you like sneaker content, this is the channel for you. If you like car content, this is the channel for you. If you like to get money tips, this is the channel for you. So do yourself a favor, me as well. Hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos like this, shoe reviews, and stay alert for that on foot. My wife did her own foot of these. So let me hit y'all with that right about now.